Look at us. Give him a kiss.
But the siren sounds. Eventually we got there to circuit break.
Scotty, that's for you, mate. My wife is so excited that she actually pressed the button really hard.
I have this effect on a lot of women.
Fucking idiot.
Yeah, I mean, the past two finals that they made, 2014, 2018, they finished as losers, one of the losers to Japan, so the duel. I just have a feeling this time around they're going to go to the blue goals and look at the two of us. But just riding that way. They're on a good way.
You know, morons.
Coming back even hotter in 2023. See you there.
Close my hand like that. That's like crazy. What do you get? You're. What is up? Stop there, mate. Good on you. Come on, what the fuck you doing, mate? Jeez. You're just gonna pull in front of the fucking car like that.
Jesus Christ.
Out the fucking road. You go around, mate. Good work, wanker.
Open, I make a man, I understand I ain't perfect, I probably won't come gotta be kidding me.
Several days later.
This bloke to the left of me is watching fucking TikToks on his phone while he's driving, and he looks to be like 50 years old. You are shitting me. Get off your phone, mate. Straight through red light. About the red light, just cruise through.
Oopsie. A few moments later. More moments later.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to...
And there it comes swastika. The subject line read, "Final notice, documentation required." My chest tightened. I didn't touch the laptop. Didn't need to. That one glimpse was enough. Amelia was hanging by a thread, her finances one step away from collapsing completely. And I had all the scissors in my hand. Revenge, when it finally came, didn't look like rage or shouting. It didn't look like slammed doors or heated confrontations.
You guys okay?
Yeah, fine. I don't know what happened
Sipping
between.
a cup of coffee while typing a series of emails with steady hands. Cold, precise,
What are you doing?
deliberate. I had waited months for this moment. Months of watching Amelia own entitlement. The bank notices, the quiet desperation hidden behind
Stupid bastard.
It was all unraveling. And now, with her account flagged and her parents still shielding her from any
Just hang on, guys.
I knew the time had come to pull the one thread that would make her entire house of cards collapse. The first step was documentation. I gathered every shred of evidence I had. Screenshots of unauthorized charges on my card. Statements showing the $12,000 drained from my account. Even text messages where Amelia admitted.
Excuse me, just a sec.
Those words were gold.
What the hell do you want, mate?
Gold. Then I added every detail I'd quietly collected since. Her
No, get out of the way.
Pitches,
You'll have the cops here in a minute if you don't move.
And most importantly, the
Get out of here. Get out of here.
I didn't storm into a police station.
I've got a camera and I can see exactly what's going on.
Prepared a neatly
That's
organized,
fine, we'll just get off.
professional, clean,
We don't have any, like, it's gonna be difficult for you as well.
fraud investigation department at the bank. Thanks to the training I'd soaked up at work, I even knew how to format it so it would...
Get out of the way!
It's fine. It's gonna be hard for you as well, so that's fine. We are so sorry.
Yeah, well, I suggest you call the police.
Oh God, yeah, that's fine.
I sent the packet off. I waited. 2 weeks later, the storm hit. I was at my apartment one morning when my phone buzzed. It was my mom, frantic. Oliver, something's happened with Amelia's bank account. They froze everything. Again, they're saying there's an investigation. Can you come over? Her voice was laced with panic, the kind she never spared.
You've been reported.
For Amelia. I told her I was busy with work, which was technically true. Busy enjoying this moment. That evening, curiosity got the better of me.
Jesus Christ.
Get it now.
Pardon?
Did you fart?
I did, sorry. My apologies.
You fart all the time because you're gassy.
Yeah. Oh, what are you doing?
You're a baby.
Wow, there's one for you, Scotty.
Yes, yes, indeed it is.
I'm going to level with everybody. There are some times where in this job,
This one behind me will not stop.
Excited because you know you're about to potentially tell people something they don't know.
No, stop.
And
No, stop.
It'll be like when we get to introduce the line.
And Hamlet himself, although it really was just all about him being obsessed with that actress and May marrying him. We can't really have...
Great Scott!
Come, Mr. Plow, That's my name. That name again is Mr. Plow.